My country people, I greet everybody. This now the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogewonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products.
My brother Brightens, you will tell us the product when we say your company, they manufacture. And then you will still tell us again whether you get anyone when we say they do, when we say they put discounts. When we say they put discount, if they bring it out to people. Then another one, tell us about your automatic changeover device.
All right, my people, you see, number one, that they say make we stock food put for house, make we buy food stuff put for house, make we not let we not can't get hacking price for market. Everybody they stock up. We they stock up, they buy food for house for country where we they experience epileptic power supply. Now the time when you need Brightens Electronics power solution, because my country people, if you stock up things for your fridge and you don't get light where go power that fridge, you know say you get where you go one vegetable soup reach, you go turn to agbo. That vegetable soup, get where you go warm and reach, you go turn to agbo. That's why you need Brightens power solution, solar panel options, make you fit get light this period. Because now when everybody dey house, you need that light. Maybe they watch news, maybe they listen to news, maybe they hear what they happen concerning the coronavirus. Now this time now you need this power for your house. So all let Nigerians know say we they see the try our best, they maintain the promo way they do, but the promo it go end on Friday this week. And I want to let people know say how will they go and be say if you make a minimum deposit of just 50,000 naira, we go keep your product for you for 4 months. Go they pay small. But when you pay finish, you will come carry on. But the advantage of that be say because you deposit that 50,000 now promo price, now you go take back the product at the end of the day, even when the promo don't finish. But if you say no, you want to use and they pay at the same time, that one that be higher purchase. So that higher purchase means say you go pay 60% of normal price, you will come pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your terms and condition. Or maybe you dey use our product before, now that's where everybody stay house, the one you get before the Carole fan light and TV. Now when everybody dey house, now you want to go to carry your deep freezer, AC, borehole, then you go need to return that one when you felt bad before. As long as now our product pay the difference in price, upgrade to the one where you dey look for. Or you dey use our product before, you introduce 6 of your friends, we go give you the next KVA upgrade free of charge. You see my country people, I want to let them know say the brightest automatic
first wait, they come you tell us about your automatic changeover device. That's number one. Then number two, we hear say you dey manufacture inverters, batteries, solar panel and solar charge controller. How it take different from those when we say the market? Tell us.
You see, for Brightens Electronics, the Brightens automatic changeover device, now something will be say if they bring NEPA light or BDC bring light or public power as the case may be, how you take no harm. So let's assume say you dey sleep for house for night, they bring NEPA light. You don't need to dey go outside, can go off that gen. Or maybe you dey sleep for afternoon, they bring NEPA light. You don't need to dey go outside your compound, go dey off the gen wey dey inside compound. No. The Brightens automatic changeover, it go help you off the generator. Once they bring NEPA light for night or afternoon, you go off your gen, carry you go national grid effortlessly. You never need to wake up from sleep to know say they don't bring light. You go just off the gen, carry you go public power or national grid. Or maybe you want use the one wey be say we dey call brightest power switch for gen. That one different. Now something be say we fit install for your parlor, bedroom, kitchen or lobby, anywhere where you know say e go dey convenient for you. That power switch go fit make you feel on the gen wey dey outside, go still make you feel off the generator wey dey outside without you coming out of your building. Because this is security challenge wey dey experience for Nigeria be say sometimes still fit dey your compound for night, they draw the choke, you no go know, you tell me that your gen dey misbehave. As you go outside, they go follow you enter house. So once you get the Brightens automatic changeover, e go off the gen, carry you go public power. If you get the Brightens power switch for generator, e go enable you to fit on the gen or off the gen from inside house without you coming outside. Then you dey ask me just say
inverter,
our inverter,
solar panel and all
the
that.
battery, solar panel. I wan let you know say the most important advantage of buying anything from Brightest Electronics na made in Nigeria product. If e spoil, bring am back. If the company wey make the product no fit repair am, we go replace am. You see, no be to spend money buy solar panel, spend thousands of naira or millions of naira to install solar panel put for house. Then your guarantee of the money wey you spend, say if I spend this money, shey I go get peace of mind. That's why you need Brightest Electronics. You see one example now they don shut down Lagos, shut down Ogun, shut down Delta State. Now people wey buy foreign inverter, they are in a fix now because when that last rain wey fall, the thunder wey strike for Benin City, we know a lot of call wey we get from people wey dey use foreign inverter because the one we dey sell na we by ourselves deliberately go put thunder arrestor inside the machine of the inverter. So that's why when thunder strike, e no dey quick dey affect our own. But if you see now oyibo own now as e spoil, you need to carry am go Lagos, carry am go Onitsha or carry am go Port Harcourt make dem fit help you repair am. But now wey be say the thing don get, everywhere don get as e be now because of coronavirus, how dem wan take carry am for you go Lagos now or Port Harcourt or Onitsha go help you repair the foreign one? That's why you need the Brightest Electronics so that we dey with you for here for Nigeria. If e get fault, my country people, nothing go last forever. Bring am make we fix am. And what I wan let you know be say the solar panel wey we dey sell e there because we make am according to the research wey we do for Nigeria. We carry am go China before coronavirus come. Na China na for China we for see better company wey come make.
I hope not be this year you go China.
No be this year, I say before coronavirus come.
Make I know attend me.
No dey fear. So I wan let you know say that panel they design am according to Nigerian weather. That's why the one wey dey sell people wey dey northern part of Nigeria e different from the one wey dey sell people wey dey southern part of Nigeria. E different from the one wey dey sell those wey dey middle belt because na different climatic conditions. So those panel you no dey draw thunder. You no need to re-earth the house. You no need to put thunder arrestor there. The shelf life of our solar panel na 20 to 25 years. That's the shelf life. But the manufacturer warranty of the panel is 2 years. Then for our inverter battery solar panel, the manufacturer warranty is 1 year. But all the Nigerians know say if e be say the panel wey you dey use for your place na fake inferior one, my people, you go even observe am by yourself because anytime wey thunder too strike, e go blow your inverter or spoil your electronics. So that's why you need to re-earth that house. You need to put thunder arrestor there. But if na our product you put and not be our panel, we go encourage you to put thunder arrestor because our inverter machine get the number of time wey dey fit dey withstand thunder lightning. But if you can't go get fault because you refuse to re-earth your house or put under a good working thunder arrestor there, now the customer go pay for the repair. If the business maybe you go install our inverter for where your public power they bring high current, low current, the thing they dance up and down, they fluctuate anyhow. If you spoil and you not grip put stabilizer for the charging point of the inverter, now you will be the customer go pay for the repair. However, the most important thing is say as long as they made the Nigerian product, if you develop fault, we can fix it. That's the most important advantage.
Okay, Brightest alternator booster. I tell you work for pressing iron. Then wait, another one wants to ask you. This your energy bulb when we say your company they manufacture recently. How you take different between how you take the big I take the difference between the one with the manufacturer and the one with the market too?
And you see the Brightest alternator booster na something we design because of people wey dey into laundry services, dry cleaner, tailors, or you get hotel, you get laundry service department for your hotel. You see, even when you hear my voice, you know say if you dey use your generator the iron clothes or with ring boiler, electric kettle, what do they call for oyibo heat element electrical materials, with time that your gen you know they fit dey carry ball wey dey carry before when you newly buy am. With time that your gen to even carry freezer e go be problem. With time your gen to pump water na wahala. So that's why they tell Nigerians say if you continue dey use heat element electrical material, you dey weaken that generator dey go. So you will be tailor fashion designers, dry cleaner, na compulsory device for you people. Then you will be say you wan buy our energy bulb. The bulb dey come as 5 watts and 12 watts. You see the 5 watt brightness LED energy super saving bulb, e shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, while the 12 watt brightness LED energy saving bulb, e shine light pass the normal 40 watt energy bulb wey dey market, or 100 watt incandescent bulb. You see the advantage of the bulb be say as e be 5 watts, if you buy like 10, that's just 50 watts. So e go
save of time, okay, your phone number now.
And where una dey?
Alright, but that's electronics company number 30 Federal Government Guest College Road near UBTH for Ugbo City. I would open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday till they do it till they sell and till they install for those we don't already pay. If you want to call us for phone, our phone number now 080-894-62794. Make I repeat them. 080-894-62794. Our MTN number now 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat them. 080-3581-5348. My country people, wanna stay safe for this coronavirus.